If you're raising chickens and tired of wasting feed or constantly refilling messy containers, a reliable feeder can make your daily chores much easier. Today, we'll explore the top 5 chicken feeders on Amazon that make feeding simple, efficient, and cost-effective. Let's begin with the AIVEH 5-piece chicken feeder ports kit. This is an excellent DIY solution for backyard farmers who prefer to repurpose buckets or barrels into functional feeders. The kit includes 5 durable plastic feeder ports and even comes with a hole saw for easy installation. What makes this setup so effective is its zero-waste design. The feeder ports allow chickens to peck feed from inside the bucket while preventing them from scattering it all over the coop floor. Users love the fact that they can build a customized feeder in minutes, and it's especially handy for wet climates where feed needs to stay dry. Whether you're running a small backyard flock or experimenting with larger setups, this kit gives you flexibility, low maintenance, and huge feed savings. Next up is the RITE Farm Red Flip Top 28-hole chick feeder. This model is ideal for brooder setups or young flocks. Designed with 28 individual holes along a flip-top cover, this feeder ensures that chicks have enough space to eat without crowding or tipping over the feed. It's made of tough plastic, lightweight, and very easy to clean. One of the biggest advantages here is its controlled portioning. Since chicks can only access feed through the evenly spaced holes, it minimizes waste and keeps the brooder area tidier. The flip-top lid allows for quick refills and also keeps curious chicks from hopping into the feed tray. If you're raising chicks or pullets, this is a practical, low-cost option that's simple and effective. For elevation, the DOUBLE-TUF poultry feeder with legs is a standout. This feeder is made of rugged plastic and comes with removable legs that raise it off the ground, helping to keep feed cleaner and away from dirt and bedding. It's equipped with a built-in feed saver ring that reduces spillage by guiding scattered pellets back into the container. With a capacity of over 17 pounds, it's suitable for flocks of up to a dozen birds and works well for both indoor and outdoor coops. Assembly is quick, and users appreciate the feeder's ability to hold up to regular use without warping or cracking. This model is perfect for those who want a low-maintenance solution that keeps feed off the ground and lasts through the seasons. The TGEYD 50-pound automatic galvanized chicken feeder delivers excellent results. This feeder is made from galvanized steel, which means it can handle all kinds of weather without rusting or wearing out. With a 50-pound feed capacity and 8 feeding ports, this model can support a larger group of chickens for several days without refilling. Its design reduces spillage and keeps rodents and wild birds at bay by making it harder for non-chickens to access the feed. The sturdy base ensures stability, and users frequently report a significant drop in wasted feed. If you're managing a large backyard flock or even a small farm setup, this heavy-duty option is worth the investment. The BUYYAH 30-pound galvanized automatic poultry feeder offers a great balance of size, durability, and affordability. With a 30-pound capacity, this feeder is ideal for backyard setups housing 6 to 12 birds. Made from rust-resistant galvanized metal, it's designed to be weatherproof and pest-resistant. Like the TGEYD model, it includes feeding ports that keep feed contained and reduce loss from pecking or scratching. Customers love its straightforward assembly and hassle-free maintenance. If you want a durable, mid-sized automatic feeder without overpaying, BUYYAH hits the sweet spot.